Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Turnitin login issues, institution and account errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Turnitin product for your role, such as Turnitin, Turnitin Feedback Studio, or Turnitin UK. Open a private or incognito browser window to avoid saved sessions causing sign-in conflicts. Type the official Turnitin website address manually instead of clicking old bookmarks. Check that your internet connection is stable by loading two different websites in new tabs. Verify your institution's login method, because some schools require login via SSO instead of email and password. If your school uses SSO, click the SSO option and search your institution name exactly as provided by your university. If your institution name does not appear, try alternate official names, abbreviations, or campus identifiers. Confirm you are signing in with the correct institutional email, not a personal email like Gmail or Outlook. If you see an account not found message, use the forgot password link and enter the same email you used during registration. Check your inbox and spam folder for the password reset email and open it within the valid time window. Create a new password that meets complexity rules and avoid reusing your last password. If you receive an invalid enrollment or not joined to a class error, ask your instructor for a new class enrollment link or class ID. If you receive an institutional account required message, contact your IT or e-learning office to confirm your account is provisioned. Clear browser cache and cookies for Turnitin domains, then restart the browser completely. Disable browser extensions that can block scripts, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers. Try a different supported browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and update it to the latest version. Make sure your device date and time are set automatically, because incorrect time can break secure login. If you get too many attempts or lockout message, wait the stated cooldown period before trying again. If the page keeps looping back to the login screen, sign out of all Microsoft or Google accounts in the browser and try again. If your institution uses Microsoft 365, confirm you can sign into your school email portal first using the same credentials. If your institution uses Google Workspace, confirm your school Google account is active and not suspended. On mobile, switch to a computer if possible, because some institution portals work best on desktop browsers. If you must use mobile, request the desktop site in your browser settings and try again. Check Turnitin system status pages or your institution announcements to rule out a service outage. If you recently changed your email, ask support to update the email on your Turnitin profile, because mismatches can block access. If you are an instructor and cannot access an account, confirm you are using the instructor role and not a student account. Capture the exact error message and take a screenshot, then include it in your ticket to your institution helpdesk or Turnitin support. Provide your institution name, email address, browser version, and the time of the issue to speed up resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.